As a doctor or a medical professional, balancing being a great spouse, parent, and medical professional is about as stressful as it gets. What you don't need when you're looking to buy a house is to pack on top of all of that crazy balancing act the stress of a complicated or possibly derailed or declined mortgage application. Now, in our world, we see clients go down the path with lenders all the time and then get declined at the last minute by underwriting. And an unfortunate amount of our business comes to us after the client has already had a failed transaction. We completely eliminate the risk of that happening to you. And the way we do that is through our checklist. And this checklist, as it also protects you, it also gives you the greatest opportunity to win a bidding war. 55% of home sales resulted in a bidding war in August of 2020. And 69% of home sales in August 2020 were on the market for less than 1 month. What does that mean? That means as a buyer, if you want to compete with the rest of the buyers out there that are looking for the best homes in the best neighborhoods, you have to be better prepared and able and willing to move faster than the competition. That is literally the recipe for success in getting your offer accepted versus the other. Now, we've come out with a 5-step process that will, number one, eliminate the chance that you're going to get declined by an underwriter further down the line, and number two, help you get your offer accepted at the best price humanly possible. Step number one is to get pre-approved. Now, when I say pre-approved, I don't just mean you filled out some information on your iPhone and you got a little PDF pre-approval letter. We believe in a full credit and income underwriting approval. What does that mean? That means that you're not going to meet the underwriter the week before you're supposed to close your loan, and God forbid the underwriter doesn't like your loan. It means that you're going to meet the underwriter up front and you're going to go through a full pre-underwriting process. Step number two, offer to pay more. You may have to pay a little bit more in this market in order to get your offer accepted. That's just kind of the reality that we're in today. Number three, learn the seller's motivation. We want you as the buyer to understand more about the seller than any of the competition. Number four, offer a faster closing. Now this is key, and number four and number one are tied together. Once we've gone through the pre-underwriting process, you're basically approved. Now all we have to do is the legal disclosures, the appraisal, the title work, and update anything that has been outdated, but it's a much faster track from here to closing, which helps you get your offer accepted. And number five, include a personal offer letter. Include a picture of your dog, your kids. Bring some personality into the transaction. Hey, we would love to hear from you, and we believe this whole home buying process and going through a mortgage, especially for doctors and medical professionals that have so much to worry about, should be simple, low stress, and fun. We look forward to hearing from you.